Cleaning process for refrigerator. Required tools include fridge detergent, plastic shell detergent, brush, scouring pad, placemat, rubber gloves, cross screwdriver. Step 1. Machine examination. Check if the fridge can function properly. Confirm with the customer first if there is anything unusual. Take pictures first, so that the objects can be put back in order after cleaning. Take the objects out of the fridge. Place the parts, such as drawers and division plates, in a placemat. Advice: inform the customers to take out the things in the fridge and pull the plug 1 or 2 hours before heading to the house. Step 2. Ice removing. There is ice in both cooler and freezer. Put a towel inside to avoid water coming out. Then use high temperature steam together with the ice shovel blade to remove the ice. Attention! To avoid heating unevenly, the muzzle of the steam gun should do the steaming back and forth in the distance of 5 cm while removing the ice. Step 3. Steaming and wetting. Steam and wet the ceiling ring, the door plank, and the inside. To soften the dirt, use the steam gun to steam and wash the draining port of the cooler for 10 to 30 seconds. Step 4. Spray fridge detergent. Spray fridge detergent evenly to the ceiling ring, door plank, and the inside. Then use scouring pad to wipe them 2 or 3 times repeatedly. Step 5. Cleaning the parts. Spray the plastic shell detergent to clean each dismantled parts and division plates. Then wipe it with scouring pad and put them back into where they belong. Step 6. Sink cleaning. Use a screwdriver to dismantle the back cover on the back of the fridge. Take the water sink out. Put it back after a thorough cleaning. Attention! Do not splash the water on the machine. Step 7. Shell cleaning. Evenly spray plastic detergent on the machine and wipe it out with a scouring pad. Step 8. Machine re-examination. Check if the fridge functions properly. Confirm with the client. Analyze and deal with the problems in time if something went wrong. Cleaning process for refrigerator finished. Clean the working area.